Data visualization is the language of the cosmos. It transforms raw data, those cosmic dust particles, into breathtaking nebulas of understanding. With advanced visualizations, we can explore profound insights. We can chart the unexplored territories of our data universe. Imagine trying to grasp the sheer scale of the Milky Way just by looking at columns of numbers. Nearly impossible, right? But show someone a picture, a visualization, and suddenly comprehension dawns. That is the power we hold as data explorers. Advanced visualizations are our telescopes, our spaceships, allowing us to journey deeper into the cosmos of information. They reveal patterns, trends, and outliers previously hidden in the vast expanse of raw data. Just as astronomers rely on powerful instruments, so too do data scientists rely on advanced visualizations. These tools empower us to communicate complex information clearly and effectively. They transform data from a collection of numbers into a compelling narrative. Let's begin our exploration with tree maps. Imagine a vast galaxy, its spiral arms composed of countless stars. Each star represents a data point, its size corresponding to its value. That's a tree map, a hierarchical view of your data. Creating a tree map in Tableau is as simple as charting a constellation. Drag and drop your dimensions and measures and watch as Tableau paints a vivid picture of your data. Each rectangle a unique data point, nested within larger rectangles representing broader categories. Tree maps are particularly useful for understanding hierarchical data. Imagine analyzing a company's sales figures. A tree map can instantly show you which product categories, and even which individual products, contribute the most to overall revenue. Next, we venture into the realm of histograms. Think of a telescope revealing the distribution of stars in a cluster. A histogram does the same for your data. It reveals the frequency of data points within specific ranges or bins. Building a histogram in Tableau is as straightforward as setting a course for a distant planet. Select your measure, and Tableau will automatically divide your data into bins, displaying them as bars. The height of each bar represents the number of data points falling within that bin. Histograms are invaluable for understanding the shape of your data. Is it normally distributed, clustered around the mean, or is it skewed with a long tail stretching in one direction? Histograms provide the answers. Section 4, Bubble Charts, Celestial Bodies of Information. Our final destination, bubble charts. Imagine a cosmic dance of planets, their sizes reflecting their mass. Bubble charts operate on a similar principle, using bubbles of varying sizes to represent data points. Creating a bubble chart in Tableau is as simple as capturing starlight. Drag and drop your dimensions and measures, and watch as your data transforms into a constellation of bubbles. The size of each bubble corresponds to the value of a specific measure. Bubble charts excel at displaying relationships between three or more variables. For example, you could use a bubble chart to visualize the relationship between a country's GDP, population, and life expectancy. Section 5. Navigating the cosmos of data visualization. As we conclude our journey, remember this. The most important step in data visualization is choosing the right chart for the job. Just as an astronomer selects the appropriate telescope, so too must a data scientist choose the visualization that best illuminates their data. Consider your audience and your objective. What message are you trying to convey? What insights do you hope to uncover? The answers to these questions will guide you towards the optimal visualization. But the journey doesn't end there. Once you've chosen your chart type, it's time to refine your visualization, enhancing its aesthetics and functionality. Experiment with colors, fonts, and labels, ensuring your visualization is both informative and engaging. Remember, data visualization is more than just creating charts. It's about storytelling, about using data to weave compelling narratives that inform and inspire. So go forth, explore the cosmos of data visualization, and share your discoveries with the world.